In this video, we will be making a simple, clean, and highly nutritious vegetarian recipe, soya chunk pulao. Let's go. Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another recipe video. This is another great recipe for vegetarians. Soya chunks, as most of you might already know, is a great source of protein. 100 grams of raw soya chunks has about 52 grams of protein. On top of that, it's also high in fiber, which means it's going to keep you full longer and also help with digestion. It's also really good for the heart. It increases the good cholesterol in your body and also helps in maintaining your blood sugar levels, which is why they recommend soya chunks for diabetic patients as well. With all these benefits, how can we not add this to our diet? From this recipe, you are going to be getting protein, carbs, and your micronutrients from all the veggies, making it the perfect meal. So if you are ready to get this video underway, as always, like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and let's jump into my kitchen. For the ingredients, you will need 100 grams of raw soy chunks, 100 grams of uncooked white rice, 1 medium onion, 2 to 3 green chilies, 2 medium tomatoes, 100 grams of green beans, 50 grams of carrot, 50 grams of green bell peppers, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, hing, and finally 1 teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Start off by soaking the soya chunks and rice in water for about 30 minutes. While that's being soaked, in a pressure cooker on medium flame, add the oil along with a pinch of hing and the cumin seeds. I always add cumin seeds and hing wherever I can, as they both are good for digestion. Once the seeds start to crackle, add the onions and green chilies and saute for about 2 minutes. Then add the ginger garlic paste and continue to saute till the onions turn golden brown. Next, add the tomatoes along with some salt and cook until they become soft. Salt helps to cook the tomatoes faster and also helps release their juices. After that, add the vegetables, which is the green beans, carrots, and bell peppers, and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. With all those vegetables, it looks great so far, doesn't it? Time to add the spices: turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, and salt for taste. Along with that, add the soaked soya chunks as well. Make sure you drain and squeeze out the water before adding them. Mix well for 2 to 3 minutes until all the spices and flavors are blended in. Then add the soaked rice along with 1 to 1.25 cups of water. Give it a few stirs and cover the lid and cook for about 6 to 8 minutes or for 1 whistle. After that, open the lid, give it a few more stirs to make sure that the rice and everything is cooked properly, and there you go. Your delicious, highly nutritious soy chunk pulao is all set. Moving on to the calorie and the macronutrient breakdown, this entire recipe is to be divided into 3 servings, and each serving is about 330 calories, of which 48 grams are carbs, 5 grams are fat, and 22 grams are protein. Give this recipe a try, guys. When it comes to dieting, it's all about making smarter choices, making smarter decisions. For example, what a lot of people will do with such recipes is that they will add 2 cups of rice for 1 cup of soya chunks, which doesn't make sense because you are already getting carbs from the soya chunks and you will be getting double the amount of carbs from the rice, which makes it carb loaded as a meal. And on top of that, they will add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and that just packs on so much extra calories. And if you are someone who's trying to lose weight, you would want to avoid all that unnecessary calories. So by making smarter choices, by understanding the macronutrients in the ingredients that we use, by swapping a few things around here and there, we can make this a more balanced meal. And the best part about it is that we can still add such meals to our diet even when we are on a weight loss journey. And with that thought, guys, we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Do try it out. If you do, please do tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. And until next time, you take care, you stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.